Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to shut down your laptop properly because many people follow this way. Either they click on start button, click on power button and hit shutdown, or they hit alt plus F4 and then hit enter in order to shut down their laptop. But this is not the proper way to shut down your laptop properly because it will make your laptop running in the background and your uptime will be look like this. So now to avoid this we need to do some settings. So for that just go to your search bar and type control panel, open it, and here we need to type in control panel search bar power. Then here you will see power option, so here we need to click on change power, what the power button do. And after clicking on this option, here we need to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And once you click there, we need to turn off this function which is turn on fast startup. And once you untick this, click on save changes and just close this. Now after doing this change, if you go and shut down your laptop will going to shut down completely. But frankly speaking, this will not create huge impact on your laptop. But yeah, if you want to completely shut down your laptop, you can just follow this process. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.